are very excited that our weekly email, entitled Exceptional Italian Homes Under €150,000, is going live in just a few days. There are so many cool properties in this price range, we can't wait to share our finds. Unfortunately, it's not easy having to sift through all the listings for the best properties, so we do have to charge a small subscription fee. For just €6 a month, you'll receive weekly emails totaling over 50 affordable turnkey properties every month. These are all fully habitable houses. No apartments, flats, timeshares, fractions, auctions, unfinished or project houses. If you haven't already, you can subscribe on our website or on Substack. Today's featured house is this Calabrian villa, which overlooks the Ionian Sea and has one of our favourite things: lots of terraces and outdoor living spaces. The asking price for this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa is just €89,000. The 110 square metres of living space and additional 75 square metres of terrace is ideal for a holiday home or to generate rental income. If you'd like to see more exceptional Italian homes under €150,000, please check out Live Your Dream Italy.